Okay, so I'm on a mission going Valentine's Day shopping for my boyfriend. I went to 2 different Targets and they both said they had one thing that they didn't. I'm doing like a little basket type thing. And then I also went to a bakery. I got him some vegan cupcakes and muffins and I'm so excited for this. I also kind of wanted to go to Sephora to get like a cologne perfume thing for him, but I think I'm gonna wait on that because he's about to come home and I want to like set everything up. Plus I'm thinking like maybe I can just bring him with me and have him smell it to see if he likes it first. And I hate like almond scents. They're so similar. They're so overbearing. It's just too like aggressive of a scent. So I think I'm gonna have us do that maybe later if he wants to do that, but otherwise, yeah, I'll show you the setup basket once I get home. I'm so excited! Okay, so this is my current setup for it. I have my New Year's Legos up there, as well as a couple Sony Angels. My original plan was these reusable bags hanging off of it, and then we have our laundry basket right there. But I am a little unsure now, because they don't like lay flat. They kind of stick out, especially this one because we use it a lot, so this like won't lay flat. I'm not sure if there's too much going on here. We'll see. I have new hair. I got black underneath, and then I also have these like raccoon tails. The raccoon tails are extensions, the rest is my real hair. Is it long? But yeah, I really like it. I wanted to do something a little different. I'm like mostly blonde. Every time I've tried to do like brown or go darker, I've hated it. I hate myself with like super dark hair, so I am glad I did like both. Plus I love the raccoon tails. I'm a little sad they're just extensions, but I also like having the extra hair because my hair is just so crazy thin. I've been thinking about this. It's kind of random, but does anyone else who has ADHD, like every day that I don't work, I'm like, this is the day I'm gonna change my life. Like, this is the day I'm gonna get back on track. And then I just don't. And then it like repeats over and over, and then I just never do. I don't know if that's just an ADHD thing or a me thing. Begrudgingly, we'll show you guys my bathroom counter because it's bad. I'm holding this big ass tripod, but there's a lot of stuff. Right now it's a little more cluttered than usual because I've been using it. And don't blame the Pringles, that's my late night snack. I know, keeping food in the bathroom is very hygienic. Like with all my stuff, like okay, this is pissing me off. All my stuff is like, has a place, it's still, like there's a lot going on right here. I like the clutter right here, like closed in, so when you like use the sink, it's nice, because I have this, and then I have this, but then it's all of this. Hello, it's editor Addie. I'm watching this video back as I'm editing it, and I'm realizing that right here I'm not really making any sense to anyone else but me. I think what I'm trying to say is okay, I'm very maximalist, not to an awful point, I don't think, maybe, but like I like the clutter around the sink because it's like kind of closed in. And it like kind of creates like a separate space like where the sink is, if that makes sense. But I don't like that plus all the other like clutter on the counter. It's just like too much. But I think that's what I was trying to say. I was like watching it back and I'm like, this makes sense to me, but this isn't gonna make sense to anyone else. So I hope this helps. My biggest thing is just clutter. Like that's the worst thing. I leave stuff out all the time. The shelving I was looking at, it is $40, so I'm gonna see like how big it is. I know it's hanging, but I also wonder if I could just set it on the bathroom counter and that would look good. Otherwise, I'm not exactly sure where I would hang it. Maybe like on this wall right here. Mission accomplished. While I was there, I kind of got more ideas of stuff I wanted to get for the bathroom. It's all like organization stuff, but I think it'll make my bathroom look like 10 times better. I did get the shelf. It was, about the same size that I figured it would be. I also got this glass canister. My idea for this is to put like tampons in it. Thing that I'm gonna sit on the top of my toilet. Also got this matching like woven little basket thing, and I was like pads in this, tampons in this, maybe like a candle in the middle or something. I also got air fresheners and mouthwash because I was out, and then I think I'm gonna run by the car wash, but I did get this basket as well. I think I'm gonna put toilet paper in it. Me and my partner constantly bicker over me being lazy as fuck and never replacing the toilet paper, and then me being like, help, I need toilet paper. So that's the plan for that. Okay, I'm about to show the haul, even though I kind of already showed it. First of all, I'm literally going to have to like grab my cats by their tail and swing them around, because why do you guys not get fed in 3 hours and you're already begging? And by my cats, I mean Peanut. This is the shelf. I think it's supposed to be hung up. I'm gonna see how it looks if I just like kind of set it on the bathroom counter. Then I have this like greenish basket. This is where I think I'm gonna put like extra rolls of toilet paper. This is gonna go on top of the toilet.
My first step is to declutter and then deep clean. And then like put everything up.
This is my before. Okay, I'm done with what I'm gonna do today. I got mop water ready, but I never actually did a ton with the floors. I mostly just hung stuff up and organized underneath, and that took a really long time. It took like 3 hours. The theme for my bathroom is kind of like cat grandma, so keep that in mind. So this is my jewelry. I kind of got rid of some earrings that I don't really wear. Same with necklaces. I have all those. I put my little shark. This bad boy, I love this shelf so much. It's so cute. Up here, I kind of put this is the tallest shelf, so what wouldn't fit on these. And then just a couple other things. I have my little Legos, and then I have my like big lotions on this, so like my face cream, I guess this isn't a lotion, but like my toner pads, these little thingies, eye cream, my Sonny Angels, and then I have like a little Glossier hand mirror in the back. This one I have like serums and stuff, and my Glossier perfumes because they just fit like perfectly on this. So my ordinary stuff, my Skin 1004, my little Sonny Angels as well, and then the perfumes. I think that it just looks really cute. I did clean up the counter so there's not as much stuff just piled onto here. I also organized the drawers. They're not perfect, but they do look a lot better. I know where everything is, and there's not just a bunch of random shit in there. Same with this one. A little messy, but I know where everything is. Oh, and then down here, I also organized it. It was a huge mess, and now it's a lot better. Lastly, this is the toilet. The basket I got for the toilet paper is just a smidge too small. I think it's fine. I'm putting it on the trash can as for right now because my cat likes to jump up onto the trash can and then onto there and then up here, like while I'm getting ready and stuff. She actually did it earlier and knocked this over, and if I wouldn't have caught it, I'm sure it would have shattered. So I'm hoping that kind of deters her. She also kind of freaked out whenever she jumped up and things fell. So hoping that that freaked her out enough to like deter her from wanting to do it again. I'm really happy with how everything turned out.
Once I swallowed it, I got hot. Oh my god. What the fuck? It was like not spicy at all until I swallowed it.
I mean, it is hot sauce. It looks a lot more saucy in the photo online, I will say. Maybe it's good.
Someone really thought they ate with this design. I'm not sure they did. Hell yeah. Every time I do porcelain goblet squats, my life flashes before my eyes a little bit. This is the bowl I got today. It's kind of hard to see. One sec. This is my bowl today. I got chicken, brown rice, pinto beans, lettuce, cotija cheese, tortilla strips, and I think that's it. I do have to work in about an hour, so I'm gonna try to speed run eat this so I can go home and get ready. I kind of caved and made a big purchase. I got a MacBook Air for myself. They just came out with their M4 and I've heard it was really good, so I wanted to try that. I don't really have the budget for like the Pro, even though I heard that one was like slightly better. Yeah, I'm gonna try this one. I'm very excited. I've heard good things about like editing on it. I have like a monitor and I was thinking getting like a PC, but I don't really know enough to like build one and the pre-built ones are really expensive, and it doesn't seem like there's really a point in getting a pre-built one for me, because like I feel like the whole like vantage point of getting a PC is that like being able to build it yourself. But I know nothing about that. I'm just a girl. I got the black color. They do have a new like sky blue color, which it was cute. I was gonna get that one at first, but it kind of like wasn't blue enough for me, if that makes sense. It was like very like bluish silver, so I just wasn't like that much of a fan. I was a little nervous because I saw some people on Reddit say it's like a fingerprint magnet, which we'll just have to see about that. I told myself that if I got this for myself, which I am financing it because I also signed up for the credit card, I would start taking classes again. So that's my terms and conditions for myself. But yeah, it's very nice. I've been wanting to go back to school for a while. My work offers a ton of classes for free, so I was taking some doing my work for a while. I'm also like really used to Windows, so like this whole everything is new to me, and I'm already kind of like technologically challenged. It's a little different. I figured it would be a little bit more intuitive since everything else I have is Apple, so hopefully we'll figure it out.
Hello, it is a few days later. I am loving the MacBook so far. I'm actually editing this video on it, so hopefully everything turns out well. I didn't really film an outro, so here it is. Thank you for watching. If you stayed all the way through, slay. Bye, thank you.